Ooh, my hamstrings, Lord. I love this one. Ooh, I love this one. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Ooh, hey. You know, when you're doing your mobility, you don't have to feel like you have to be perfect. Do what your body is telling you. Just listen. Peace, family. We out here in nature right now. I'm about to take y'all through a mobility session, and I just want to take y'all through like a whole full body mobility routine that I like doing daily. I love doing this. So I pretty much just get my blood flowing first, and then I just do what my body tells me, you know? I just kind of do what feels right for me in that moment. But yeah, we're gonna get a full body work. I think this is a little bit too high. We doing this in real time, family. That's why I rock with y'all. Oh, and also I want to appreciate everybody who been subscribing and watching my videos. Right now we at 361 subscribers. Listen, I told myself that I'm going to start being consistent with YouTube and posting out content that is valuable for you all. And I appreciate y'all. It's showing that y'all are watching it. And so if you have any feedback, y'all just, you know, let's start up a conversation in the comments down below. If you haven't, go ahead, subscribe, like this video so we can get into that algorithm. Let's get into it. So I told y'all that my chest and my shoulders super tight right now, especially for my people who work sitting in this position all day. You really need to focus on chest openers. Keep in mind, everything is controlled. I'm not just flipping my body like that, you know what I'm saying? Everything is controlled. I'm engaging my core. Yeah, that pec, you want to really open up that pec. Just start with some squats here. Get my full body flowing. We gonna sit in it. Ain't gonna lie, it's my time of the month. When I'm on my first couple of days, I keep it real light. I'm grateful that I don't have cramps like I used to. I used to have real bad cramps. Before transitioning to eating plant-based, I haven't experienced any cramps. I'm gonna do some cat-cows right here. Taking my time. Y'all, I'm just doing what feels good right now. You know, when you're doing your mobility, you don't have to feel like you have to be perfect. You know what I'm saying? Do what your body is telling you. Just listen. Yep, hit my psoas. I gotta go slower. And I really love this one because I get that good hip flexor stretch as well as my lats, my serratus anterior. Also my obliques get some good stretching. Oof, we're gonna do that one again. Sit down as low as you can, down into that frog position. Try to sit back as well. And then from here, you're just slowly reaching out forward. And now I'm gonna reach my right hand opposite of me and just let your body sink. Shake it out. Other side. This side is tighter. Ooh, there we go. There go that sun. Ooh, my hamstrings, Lord. Ooh. We're gonna get into the world's greatest stretch next. I like this one because my hip flexors, my IT bands, my glutes, my pecs, all the way up into my delts, they all get a good stretch. When most people do world's greatest, I see them go this way, and that's totally going against the grain, right? You want to go whichever knee is up, that's the arm that you're going to be rotating. Okay, so being that my right knee is up, I'm going to be rotating my right arm. Okay, so therefore I feel a good stretch in my left hip flexor. Okay, also my right IT band, right glute as well. All right, we're gonna get that good spinal twist. Ooh. Ooh, all those crunchies in my neck. I don't know if y'all hear them, but ooh, it's crunchy in there. And when I say crunchies, I'm referring to tension. If you don't know what I'm talking about, when I'm talking about crunchies, do your head like this. And if you feel like a crunchy sensation, that is all tension. So you need to work that out. Ooh. Oh man. I love this one. Ooh, I love this one. Ooh. And up. Control. Ooh, get that good hamstring stretch. Yes, Lord. Hey. Ooh, yes. Hey. Peace, family. Listen, I just wanted to come on here once again and reiterate how I am so thankful for all of y'all tuning into my videos. As y'all can see, I've been putting more effort into these, literally connecting with the Most High with, like, this is God-given, right? And I'm not gonna get all the way into that right now. I'm gonna make that a whole separate video on why I decided to get into massage therapy and what got me into my healing journey. I'm gonna make a whole separate video on that. I'm just showing my gratitude on everybody who been tapping in. I've been getting a lot more views lately, and so what I would really appreciate y'all doing is liking the videos and also subscribing, y'all. On my analytics is saying that we have a lot of unique viewers. That means you all haven't subscribed yet. So trust me, y'all, I'm gonna keep on with the content. I made a vow to myself that I will minimum post one video per week. So you will see me, Jazzavante, on YouTube giving y'all that value at least once per week. So right now we at 362 subscribers. I salute all y'all. Salute all y'all, dog. We're gonna grow this channel. Listen, fam, we are going to grow this channel and we're gonna give back. Okay, we talking retreats. Let me look at this camera. We talking retreats. Do you hear me? giving value. You know what I'm saying? Self-love techniques, how to love on yourself, how to, connect with your body through massage therapy, how to connect with your partner through massage therapy. Like, this is big. We're literally spreading love. And so you gotta love it. You gotta love it, dog. If you have made it this far, I want to appreciate you for tapping into my video for real. Like, you a real one, dog. Salute. All right. Listen, if you haven't yet, go ahead and smash that like button. Oh yeah, I'm in my YouTube bag right now. Fam, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Okay, we are on the road to 1K, and we gonna get there, family. Let's go. Let's grow this soulful healing family. All right. Listen, once again, if you don't know me by now, I'm your girl Jazz Avante, divine healer, massage therapist. Just spreading love, man. Relaxing muscles, reviving wellness. That's my passion. And so this weather is getting a little cool out here, man. So I'm about to wrap it up out here, and we're gonna take it on in, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Later.